Hey guys, it's your girl Gigi here to give you that 5-minute review on the Zumba Get Hype Bubble Tank in pink and black. Hey everyone, for more content, like, click, and subscribe. Hey everyone, I know that in the beginning of the description I called the color of the tank top pink. It's actually not a pink, it's actually called Lily. My perception is that it is a pink, and when most people see it, of course, they're going to say it's pink. But on the labeling for Zumba, the actual color of the tank top is Lily. So here are the descriptions. It's 50% polyester, 50% cotton, imported, lightweight burnout fabric, wide waistband for bubble silhouette, slightly oversized for a tighter fit size down. Now this top is no longer sold by Zumba. I actually was able to find this same exact Get Hype Bubble Tank on Amazon. I think there was one left in the lilac color for about $29.95, but it was only in a size extra small. They have 3 left that are extra small in the color green in Amazon as well, but they're charging $30 for each top. The reason why I'm reviewing this shirt, in my personal opinion, you can never have too many pink shirts in your Zumba wardrobe. Every year when you have party at pink, you don't want to keep wearing the same shirt every year. Always good to have more than one, plenty of tops for those type of events. Now the one thing I noticed, a very nice top. Nice soft cotton, but it's thin. It's not as thick as some of the other items that Zumba has been making. And one thing that really stood out about the top that I did not like was the waistband. Now in the description, the website talks about flat lock seaming, which minimizes body chafing, and smooth seams, which means your clothes won't rub you the wrong way. In the description, it doesn't say that there is an elastic band, but the model in the picture gives the perception that there's some type of material that would help gather the top at the bottom, but it doesn't. However, I would not consider the band exactly a stretched waistband. From my perception, it just feels like it's an extra piece of material sewn on the bottom of the tank. When I actually tried on the top came straight down, and there was no stretch or elastic band material to gather at the bottom to give that bubble feel. Once putting it on, I had to tie it in a knot to give it that extra bubble look. If you put the top on by itself, it just falls straight down. There's no gather, there's no intake, there's nothing that represents any type of bubble look silhouette. There's not even stretch material in that extra band. The color is beautiful. The black was nice, but I thought it was a bit transparent considering the fact that the material is so thin, but it's definitely not a pass. I wouldn't pass that up. I would still wear it. I would still wear both tops and both colors overall. Even though the bottom portion of the tank top doesn't gather, I don't think that's the reason to pass on this shirt. It's still a very nice shirt, but if you're someone that was looking to purchase a Zumba top specifically for the purpose of being able to have that bubble feel and that gather at the bottom, then this wouldn't be the top. These are my personal opinions. I have not been paid to give this review, and I'm not influenced by anybody. This is just how I feel and what I think. Thanks for watching. For more content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications.